the brand new Bosch dishwasher is removed because it was not drying properly, and we have a new dishwasher. The problem I was having even with that other dishwasher was that the dishwasher would hit this handle. So what I did was, to push the dishwasher more back, I had to drill a new hole. So this was the original hole. The new holes are here that you can see the drain hose and water line is coming. So I had to drill a hole in this part of the cabinet at the back on the dishwasher. So one hole is coming this way, and then I had to drill 2 holes here to remove the drain hose and water line. But still I have problem here. The dishwasher is pushed all the way back. There's no way we can push it more than this. And now it pushes this right here on the handle. We do not have enough space for the stove to go back or to the side, so it will not hit this. Now we're stuck with 2 dishwashers here. The solution for this is there's 2 ways we can handle this. One, there's nothing we can do to the back of the dishwasher because it's the back wall and it's Canada. On winter time it gets very cold and possibly it can freeze the water line and drain hose. So we do not want to play around with the back wall on the dishwasher. I tried my best that I could do here. Other than that, I'm stuck here. So the next solution is, the customer was saying that if I can remove this handle completely and then the dishwasher will open. See, it's only this much. Again, we cannot push the stove back in more than this. And as you can see, I wouldn't push it in there. So there's no way we can push the stove back in. We do not have enough space. Again, we cannot play around with the back wall or stove. Still stuck here. The next solution is to remove this handle and this handle, because this also hits this. So I'll kind of force it. It hits this handle. So the only solution at the moment is, instead of damaging these handles, I can remove this handle completely from here, so the customer can live with it. That's not an issue. They can open and close this by using their hand, or possibly can glue another handle here. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. It's not going to look nice, but at least if you remove this handle, it's not going to look bad. It's going to look beautiful. Now the main problem here is we have 2 solutions here. One, I will remove this handle, grind it halfway from here, grind it like that much, and then reinstall it back in again. It's not a good idea. It may not look nice. The only solution at the moment is, once I reinstall the dishwasher in, what I can do is I will push the dishwasher back and hold it and then screw it in. It will still help me a little bit. The next thing the customer can do is, anytime they want to use the dishwasher, they have to push on the handle a little bit tight. See a little bit of play. When you push the handle in, you will be able to pull the dishwasher door open. So see, it may still hit a little bit, but that's nothing. And instead of damaging the handle or removing the handle, I think this is the only solution. If you guys have any solution for this, please let me know. As far as I can see, this is the safest way to kind of push the handle and then open the door. And that handle can be removed, and I'm going to remove that. The customer will be able to open the dishwasher door fully. And the reason the customer got this Frigidaire dishwasher, got rid of the Bosch dishwasher, is because it dries much better. You see this heating element? We have a heating element on the Bosch dishwasher. We only have a tiny heating element here. It looks like a ring, and it's nothing. So if you're expecting the Bosch dishwasher to dry the dishes at the end, it's not gonna happen. So this dishwasher is going back, and of course this is the new dishwasher, but the handle solution is push on it and then open the door. You're good. Thank you.